Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best protein powder for muscle buildings available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have whey protein powder for muscle building. MuscleTech NitroTech is the most powerful protein formula ever developed. This is the original for a reason. NitroTech is the best-in-class scientifically engineered whey protein formula. It enhanced gummies with the most studied form of creatine for more lean muscle, more strength and better performance. You know our bodies depend on protein to function. This protein ensures you to hold onto muscle built in and out of the gym. In a 6-week double-blind study involving the core ingredients of NitroTech, subjects gained 70% more lean muscle. At number 6 we have Dymatize protein powder for muscle building. This Dymatize Elite casein provides 25 grams of slow-digesting casein protein per serving. Dymatize 100% casein is specifically designed to digest more slowly in your body than other rapid-release protein sources such as whey. This slow digestion is a result of the natural pH sensitivity of casein protein in the digestive tract. Because of the natural thickening effect of Dymatize 100% casein in the low pH environment of the stomach, a prolonged and steady release of protein is obtained. At number 5 we have Vintage Brawn protein powder for muscle building. You can keep your hard-earned muscles fed whether you're at home or at the gym. You can stay fit and consistent with your protein supplementation and stay strong around the clock in the gym or at home. This Vintage Brawn is the first to combine the isolate forms of the 3 most prized protein sources golden era athletes relied on to build their lean muscle and speed recovery. At number 4 we have Authentic protein powder for muscle building. Authentic whey is unlike your run-of-the-mill whey protein powder. Each serving packs 24 grams of muscle building and recovery protein and it tastes delectable. Even better, it mixes instantly with a spoon or in a shaker for post-workout recovery and anytime protein. Authentic Whey is a premium whey protein powder that is ideal for helping you meet your daily protein needs. By using Authentic Whey protein powder, you give your body the best protein sources available for promoting muscle growth and recovery. At number 3 we have Muscle Building. This Muscle Farms Combat 100% Whey is a muscle building protein powder comprised of high-quality ingredients that help build muscle mass and assist in recovery. This whey protein 10-pound chocolate milk mix is easy to mix with milk, almond milk, water, fruit and vegetables. It tastes great whether simply mixed into a beverage or blended in a smoothie or shake. At number 2 we have Genius protein powder for muscle building. This curb cravings by fueling your body comes with real nutrition. This plant protein promotes a leaner body composition and by nurturing yourself with the best. This plant protein is 100% clear of all dairy and its byproducts even if you aren't following a strict vegan diet. At number 1 we have Caged protein powder for muscle building. This advanced whey isolate protein powder utilizes prohydrolase, a premium enzyme blend that enhances protein digestion, absorption and utilization, helping you get more out of every single scoop. Every batch is cold processed, then purified using ultrafiltration technology to reduce fat, cholesterol and impurities. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best protein powder for muscle buildings for your need.